Alright, this is a just a short review and a tape reading session. Right here. I want to trade more today. It seems like there's some obvious trades, especially I wanted to long down here. I think we might go take out these trailed stops in RTH because we already swept this liquidity and swept London and reached equilibrium of the um today's dealing range, buy side portion of the dealing range. And also I anticipated this. I wasn't sure if we'd go up to here or if we would use this fair value gap after sweeping these trailed stops to go down to some level down there, but at minimum to here. And we did use that, which is nice. I already took my profits today. Only 130. So I can't, according to my rules, my protocols, I can't take any more trades today, even though it looks pretty clean and clear, like where we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go. There's a good chance we go up to these, and then from there you maybe use New York PM to head down, or maybe lunch macro. But we have news in 10 minutes, so if it's volatile, that would be helpful. Because my overall target for today is this previous day low, which has all those relative equal lows still unswept. Like this is yesterday, went to the tick of this low, about sweeping it. We got this low, got this low. It's like, alright, we gotta sweep them. And Tuesday, I'm choosing Tuesday to sweep them because Tuesday, um, even though it looks actually really bullish, we might not go down. But we might just go up for the rest of the day, which actually seems likely. Or like there's a good chance we just do that. Because we've already done sell side manipulation right here. And for us to go up here, given this volatility right here, unless news just makes it parabolic, given this volatility, it'd be a lot to expect price to go all the way up to here, sweep these out, reverse here, or just between there somewhere, and then go down to here. That's a lot to expect price to do. And it'd take all day to go and do that. But it can happen. But yeah, this is the next round liquidity right here. And as for my trades, it was really weird. It wasn't even like a actual like trade that I intended to take. For some reason, all the just brokers just stopped price for about 5 seconds right in here. And I had a limit order. It was a complete accident. I actually did this. I made like $100 right here. And then I took one more trade and that was done. Only allowed 2 trades per day. But right here, opening bell market went up to that manipulated area, then it went down. And right here, look at the timestamp. 9:30:08. And then right here, 9:30:13. The market was paused and no trading was available after this massive run to sell side, or just really quick, 2 seconds. It was unavailable for 5 seconds. I don't know why they made it unavailable for 5 seconds, but my limit order got hit. Like I forgot to remove it, or at least maybe I didn't forget to remove it, but I was like, I don't think we're gonna be that volatile. Or just head down there. I don't think I was conscious of we were so close to being 9:30. So, but anyways, it got hit right here, and I like kept on trying to exit during that 5 seconds because I was like, no, I don't want to be in this trade. I think we're gonna go a bit lower, and we did go a bit lower, right? But I managed just to exit right here once price reopened, and yeah. So now I'm just tape reading the rest of today. I don't know what this gap is right here. It's like oh, this is a 30-minute gap. Yeah. Oh, dude, this looks so clean. Getting a just relative equal highs by using whatever this thing is, event horizon, between those two. Trading down, let's see. We have first presented fair value gap right here, and a discount portion. Looks very clean. We're inside a macro as well. I don't know what this gap is though. Let's see, if we're really bullish, we won't even go down here. We'll just use this IFEG. And we shouldn't even get any candles below equilibrium. We couldn't even, I don't think that's, I think those candle bodies weren't even able to get to the first octant. Or maybe that is the first octant level. So yeah, we're pretty bullish right now. Looks like, it seems like it's very easy to trade off of. No worries, let's see what we got on here. 15-second. This. You know what, I think it'd be nice to see price reach equilibrium of this area. Right here. And if we go right here, we might as well just tap this just about. But we might not. Let me just go through here. Let's see how this closes. This candle. Yeah. Alright. I think we're just going to go higher. We're not going to get any deeper retracement for now. Next, I'm going to sweep this out next. Which, did we just sweep that out on here? I think we did. Alright. Now let's see, after we sweep this intraday high, let's see how we respect it. Do we blow through it? And the next candle is also just like this candle? Or do we begin to, like, does it go up here? Maybe one more candle doesn't really do much, and then another candle goes down, makes a BPR. And like, let's just see how we react. Like, I want to see this one expand up. If I'm bullish, really bullish, I want to see it expand up to here. I don't want to see it like kind of struggle to close above this high. Alright, that looks pretty good. For buys at least. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that's news. Oh, I haven't seen a news like this in months, where it's actually really volatile. Most news are really lackluster now. Oh, oh wait, no, we opened. This is just the opening bell gap right here. We opened right where this thing is. Oh, wow, okay. So on MNQ, we went and swept this low, 9:56 a.m. On NQ, we didn't. The E-mini contract, we did not. So, at least what ICT said is that usually they'll want to bring price back down to this level before they, like, just to clear, make sure everything is even, I guess, between the two. If one sweeps a certain liquidity on MNQ but not on NQ. So I think this will have to be swept before we sweep these out. So now that we see that, either shorting like on sub 1 minute, 5 second maybe, shorting from here to here on NQ would be nice, or waiting to sweep this using the same thing that we did right here. Just go down and sweep it and run higher, but on NQ or on either really. That would be a pretty easy thing to do, I think. Alright, I'll be right back. This should be the next target right here. Alright, I'm back. Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording. Let's back in a little bit. I don't want to wait through all this.